Let me take a look here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and there's a lot here. And I guess the backside is homework.
Yeah.
All right. So number 5, it says that it says 5 over 2x plus 15 for -6 less than or equal to x less than -4. Do you remember what we did to graph this last time? We talked about making a table.
Um, I forgot. I forgot.
Okay.
It's because I just forgot because these are just tough math problems, and sometimes I can forget like
All right,
that.
so we're gonna put -6 and -4 into this function here. All right, so it's gonna be 5 over 2 times -6 plus
Okay.
15. So
Okay.
could you simplify that for us, please?
Yeah, I'll do that.
All right.
Okay. Sounds good to me. Should I go to Desmos?
Nope, you got to put these numbers into the equation. It's like here, I'm just asking you to simplify.
Okay. To simplify. Okay.
5/2 times -6 plus 15.
Okay. I got it. So I should not use a calculator. I'll just use my paper.
You can use a calculator, that's fine.
Okay. Zero.
It is 0. Good. Now do the same thing for -4.
Okay. 5.
It is 5. Okay, now at -6, do you see how it's less than or equal to?
Yeah,
Is that an open or a closed circle?
open or closed circle.
Yes.
That right there is going to be a closed circle. It's going to be just a dot.
Yes. It's gonna be filled in dot. Okay. Now, how about the less than? Is that an open or a closed circle?
Open or closed circle. The less than, open or
Yeah.
closed circle. Hmm. Open circle? No, maybe closed, maybe open circle.
So the less than and the greater than are open. So on your graph, you're going to plot a point at -6, 0 with a filled in circle, and then at 0, I'm sorry, -4, 5, an open circle.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead and graph that for us, please.
Yep, I'll grab that.
Let me know when you have that graph.
Yeah, I'm getting that graphed. Got it down.
Okay, does it look like what I have over here on the right?
Does it look like what I have here? Yes.
Okay, so for the middle piece, do you see the middle piece is -2 square root x plus 4 plus 2? You see that? Your middle piece for number 5?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to put -4 in for x. So we have -2 times the square root of -4 plus 4 plus 2 on the outside. Could you simplify that for us, please?
Okay. Yeah. 2.
It is 2. Now do the same thing for 5. -2 square root 5 plus 4 plus 2.
Okay. Anyways. Okay, that 5 plus 4 is 9. So -2 times 9. Can I do that?
The square root of 9?
Yeah, there's no square root.
Yeah, there is.
-2 and the square root of 9. 11,
What is the square root of 9?
3.
Okay, what's -2 times 3?
-2 times 3. That's going to be a -2 times 3 is going to be -6.
Plus 4.
-6 plus 4.
Yeah,
That's going to be 2.
no.
Okay.
What is -6 plus 2?
Then -6 plus 2. Yeah, -6 plus 2. That's going to be, let me use my calculator.
Okay,
-4.
all right. Now, these are the 2 points, okay? And if you look on your paper, you see that there's a less than next to each of those.
Yeah.
So is that an open or a closed circle?
For -4, it's a open circle, and for 5 is a closed circle
Why is it a closed circle for 5?
because it's a positive.
No, it has nothing to do with that.
So it's an open circle.
It's an open circle. Less than or greater than are always open. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to are always closed. So you're going to put an open circle at those 2 points. -4, 2, 5, -4.
Okay.
Now it's not a straight line. It's kind of got a curve to it because it's a square root.
Mm-hmm.
To make sure you show a little curvature for the square root.
Okay.
Got it?
I'm getting it down.
All right.
Okay, now. Okay, got it down.
Okay. What's the last piece of the piecewise function? What's the third piece say for number 5?
For number 5.
Yeah, what's
So what the final one is
the
going to
third
be,
piece?
the third piece is going to be 5, 5, less than, times, less than or equal to 10.
Okay. What's the function though? Yes, that's the inequality. What's the function?
The function,
Yeah, what's left of it?
x minus 9.
Yes. Okay, so in your table, you're going to put 2 values in. You're going to put in 5 and 10.
Yep.
So give me the y values, please.
the y value for 5 right there, that's gonna be okay. Can you help me out?
Put 5 in for x. Here's x.
Okay.
5 minus 9.
5 minus 9. -4.
Okay. Now do the another x value.
One.
Okay, now is it an open or is it a closed circle at each of those?
Open or closed circle for each of those. For the first one, that is open, and for the second one, that's closed.
Okay, so go back to your graph and add some of these, add the 0.5, -4. And then 10, 10, 1. Then you're gonna connect those.
Okay.
Any questions on that?
I'm just writing it down.
Okay,
Okay, got it down.
right. So let's move to 6. I know that there's some other things there, but let's just make sure you got the graphs down. And we can maybe come back and
Right.
do this. So 6 has 3 pieces. Piece 1 is 2x plus 7
Okay.
minus 2x plus 9 for 0 less than x less than 2. 1/4 x minus 6 squared plus 3 for 2 less than x less than or equal to 10.
Yep. Okay.
All right, so which one do we start with? Which
We're
piece
gonna
do
be
we start?
starting. What we're gonna be starting with is we're gonna be starting with 2x plus 7.
Okay, so you're gonna plug both endpoints into the equation. So can you do that for me, please?
Yeah.
Okay,
-7.
It was -7, yes. Now put 0 in.
Yep. But my okay. Now for a 0 right there, it's 0 plus 7 is 7.
All right, is it an open or a closed circle at each of these?
For that right there, that's going to be the closed circle
Why is it closed?
because because I was seeing there's two negatives for -7 and another -7.
It has nothing to do with the negative. It has to do with the inequality.
Okay.
Do you want us to look back at the previous problem we
I
did?
got it. That's going to be the open circle.
Yes, they're both open. Okay, so on your graph, you're going to plot these 2 points. -7, -7,
Okay.
and then 0, 7. And it's a straight line that connects them.
Okay.
Let me know when you have that down.
Yep. Okay, got it down.
Okay, now the middle piece is good from 0 to 2, so we got to put 0 and 2 into the middle piece.
Okay. All right. Nine and 5.
It is 9 and 5. So are they open or closed circles there? Open or closed? It's based on the inequality.
That's going to be the open
Why is it open?
because they're both positives.
It again, Sourish, for like the how many times? It has nothing to do with the sign. What does it
Okay.
have to do with?
It has to do with the inequality.
Inequality. It has nothing to do with whether the number's positive or negative or anything else. It's just whether it's a less than or a less than or equal to. So yes,
Okay.
they're both open. So 0, 9.
Wait, what? You said I was not right.
Now I asked you why, because I wanted you to explain to see if
Okay.
you would say it was based on the sign again, which you did. Because I'm pretty sure that this is the first time you're doing these types of problems. So I want to make sure you know why it's the right answer.
Okay, let me just write this down.
Okay, let me know when you got it down.
Okay, got it down.
All right, so the last one, the last piece we're going to evaluate at 2 and 10. So you're putting 2 and 10 into this last piece.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Do you have any answers for me?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm just getting this down. 19.25, aka 19.
No. So for like 10, it's 10 minus 6. What is 10 minus 6?
10 minus x. That's going to be a 4.
4. And then you square it. What's 4 squared?
4 squared.
Yes. What is 4 squared?
Yeah, 16.
16. And then what's 1/4 of 16?
1/4 of 16 is 1 4 4.
4. And then you're going to add 3.
Yeah. Okay. You're gonna add 3. 4 plus 3 is 7.
It is 7. All right. All right. So for 2, it's 2 minus 6 squared. 1/4 of that plus 3.
Okay. Now, 4.75.
Sorry, it's basically the same problem. What is 2 minus 6?
I was trying to do it, but
What's
it's
2 minus 6?
-4, and -4 times -4 is
Is
16.
16. What's 16 divided by 4?
16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7.
There you go. Okay, so we're gonna graph those 2 points, 2 and 7. And then before we do that, is an open or a closed circle?
That's an open circle because you can see right there they're both inequalities.
Well, yeah, but the less than is what the
Okay.
all right. So now the other thing though is this is a parabola. So even though it's here and then 10, 7, it does dip down. So that middle point is 6, 3. We don't have enough time to talk about that, but that's what it looks like there.
Okay.
All right, so that is gonna
Hold
do
on.
it
I need
for
to
us for
write this down. Let
today.
me just at least write
Yep.
this down.
Okay, sounds good. So we'll do PSAT tomorrow.
Yeah. And also there's
Okay.
yeah,
What else is there?
nothing.
Is there a quiz or something coming up? It'd be good to
Well, I
know.
just heard that from one of those kids. They said that there's going to be a quiz on Wednesday for math.
Okay, well, it might be good to ask your teacher tomorrow. That way you know, so we can
Yeah,
prepare.
yeah, and like I just heard one of my friends said that there's going to be a quiz. Yeah, they said that in fifth period. They said that there's going to be a quiz.
All right, why don't you get this down before we run out of time?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, we're gonna stop right here.